With the chassis and body taken care of, it was time to shift our focus to the heart of the build, the engine. This wasn't just about bringing it back to life, it was about bringing it into the modern era. Once everything was disassembled, cleaned and painted, it was time to give the V8 4.2 a modern operating system. We custom-made a 60-2 trigger wheel, eliminated the distributor, and replaced it with a camshaft position sensor, so can operate at sequential mode, plus 2 individual ignition coils. Fuel delivery also got an upgrade, with a new adjustable fuel pressure regulator and a set of 550cc injectors, featuring 7 spray holes for improved atomization. A fuel pressure sensor was added, oil pressure and oil temperature sensors, and to bring it all together, we ran everything through an ECUmaster Black. This setup doesn't just improve performance, it gives us full control, real-time data, and the reliability needed for what's coming next. Next up, the brakes. Just like many other components on the build, key parts were anodized in iridium for both durability and looks. We also replaced the pistons and seals, making sure the system was not only refreshed, but ready to perform under pressure. Then came the fun part. We built a custom chassis wiring harness and installed the AIM PDM32, a power distribution module that runs completely without relays or fuses. That system powers a wireless steering wheel, helping us minimize wiring even further, along with a fully programmable 10-button keypad. But the real highlight? A full digital dash that brings together function and modern design in one clean, integrated interface. The wireless steering wheel isn't just for looks, it's fully functional. From it, we can control the ignition switch, starter, headlights, turn signals, horn, and even the wipers, all without a single wire running through the column. With everything finally in place, it was time for the first drive, exhaust or not. We couldn't wait any longer. And to be honest, the V8 sounded pretty good anyway, didn't it? It was time to give it an exhaust system worthy of the build. Right after the headers, we installed a high-flow catalytic converter, followed by a custom-made muffler of our own design. Inside, it hides a wireless, remote-controlled valve for when you want that extra bit of sound and feel. EGT and AFR sensors were added to keep everything in check. Then came the moment we'd been waiting for, an interior worthy of the entire build. Leather in a stunning shade that ties perfectly with the exterior. Black Alcantara on the headliner, and a deep black carpet to finish it all off. But before the carpet went in, we laid down full thermal and sound insulation, essential for both comfort and quiet. Christos and Miltos, our upholsterers, did an incredible job, though he had no idea what we had in store for him next. Since we couldn't find a center console or armrests that matched the style of the build, we came up with the perfect way to test the team's patience. We built our own, from scratch. Starting with marine-grade plywood, we shaped and wrapped it by hand, finishing it in matching leather. Countless hours of measuring, cutting, and adjusting later, the result was well worth it. And to finish things off in the back, we installed 4 individual, genuine Land Rover seats, completing an interior that truly stands out. After all the hours, the effort, and the countless details, it was finally time to enjoy it. A proper test drive, not just to see how it runs, but to feel everything we built come to life. And with every kilometer, every sound, and every shift, one thing was clear. This Defender wasn't just rebuilt, it was reborn, exactly the way we imagined it. Since the rebuild, it's already clocked over 10,000 trouble-free kilometers. And while it's performing beautifully, there's still room for more. New upgrades and changes are already on the way. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.